Hey everybody, back again. Sorry about it being kind of windy today. We got a storm coming in, and I'm going to go ahead and do something a little different today. I'm going to try, at least attempt it, deal with what I have. I took the tarp off completely and it was just all messed up over there. Took it off, so I went and took some measurements from the side of my house here. I'm actually going to do this here. I'm building this little standoff here because I don't have anything to mount to our house. I'm not going to be drilling into the bricks at all. I don't have any gutters. So I'm going to make a little rain catchment thing with this here. Dug a hole here. It's not going to be, great. So I don't have a concrete to do this. I'm not going to concrete this in. But I'm going to mount this down here into the hole. And then what I'm going to do is once I get it, up here, I'm going to put a support from here across off of this board, and it's going to go from here across, and it's going to go against the fence screwed in. And then what's going to do, so when it pulls down, it'll pull against each other board and give it more strength. And it's just going to be something simple for now because we're living in a house right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have it kind of like, have the tarp kind of like come down like a I don't know what you call it, just like a valley. Catch some of the rain off the roof and some of the rain just come down and hopefully funnel it right into the water tube. So we'll see how that works out. So hopefully I'm gonna get it done today because we need to start collecting some rainwater. That's what we got it for. I just kind of got discouraged because of just things of, I wanted to get some gutters, but we just don't do it right now. So anyways, we're just doing what we can. So anyways, when I come back to the next scene, you will start seeing it. Next step. I'll see you in a minute. Bye. Alright guys, so this is what I've got so far. This is in the ground. This part here is in the ground. I give or take about a foot, just to get support. So it's pretty sturdy right now. I doubled up here for strength here, so it just goes to screwed into here. So this one is screwed into here, and then this one out here is screwed into this one, and or all three together. And then you can't really see it, but I got them both. 2 screws there, which are from top, and 2 screws there. Yeah, I mean it's pretty good, and it's just to keep the weight from the rain, which I hope we get a lot of rain, but I don't know if it's going to be all that bad, but we'll see what happens. And then actually I think what I'll end up doing is using this video for this little video here. I'll probably get this whole thing back here all cleaned up and all redone, everything for everybody. Because I'm actually kind of thinking about doing a not sure quite yet, possibly trying to do some kind of a aquaponics back here, just like a real narrow one, maybe sorry about that, maybe half right out to here, but like a foot or so. Just have a couple tanks back here of the grow media, maybe even levels, maybe like a couple of stack levels, and have a tank in the back for the fish, and just have it real small pumps going, and maybe some solar in the future as well. But right now we'll see what we can do. Hopefully I'll get back here in just a minute and we'll have the tarp put on. See you in a minute.